Welcome back to another educational video where we talk about complex sales topics and try to break them down into simpler terms. So, we know sales reporting is an important aspect of managing a business. It can be very detailed and complex, and it takes time and effort to get it right. The better the reporting and the more accurate, the better the insights you can have. In this video, we'll be looking at the best sales reporting tools. Sales reports are crucial and cannot be overestimated. They assist managers in monitoring the performance of their sales team, developing efficient sales strategies, determining a sales forecasting method, and, most crucially, maintaining or shortening the sales cycle. But how are you devising these sales reports? It is where artificial intelligence, AI, can help you. Artificial intelligence, AI, supports organizations in raising the lead volume, close rate, and overall sales success. This is because this technology can automate and enhance the sales process. Consequently, salespeople can concentrate on what matters, closing the deal. Why should you use AI-powered sales tools? An AI tool analyzes massive amounts of data from social media, email, and the web. It also bridges the gap between data and effective solutions for improving your marketing and sales initiatives. We'll get to the different sales reporting tools soon, but let's first understand the benefits of sales reporting software. Real-time sales information. Having access to real-time data is critical when completing a deal or upselling a product. You may easily alter the reporting based on the business question. Connect your sales resources. Whether you want to view your sales channels in one place or examine your customers' purchasing habits, getting access to your data sources is a must for any sales reporting software. Automated reporting. Is the client looking for weekly data? It's easy to set up with only a few clicks. Do you require unique material for each report? Assign a filter to the report and send it to the chosen recipients. Robust visualizations. Keeping track of the most important sales reporting metrics with sales reporting software will become a fast and fun task that doesn't include hundreds of data rows but is stunning. Filter your data. Given our fast-paced world, this will no longer be viable. Because of comprehensive filtering capabilities, professional sales reporting software allows you to perform the full analytical process on a single screen. Intelligent data alerts. These are other elements that should be incorporated into your sales reporting software. These strong notifications, powered by artificial intelligence technology, will warn you as soon as something unusual occurs with your data. It's very hard to monitor sales progress daily. Now that you're aware of the features, let's discuss a few sales analytics tools. I have an amazing report that gives you in-depth comparison of all the features of the top 10 sales analytics tools. The link is in the description. You can check it later, but first let's look at a few tools. Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics is a simple sales reporting tool, and it enables customers to generate actionable reports from any data in moments. Convin.ai. Convin's sales reporting software provides comprehensive visibility into the sales funnel and performance. Convin captures, transcribes, and analyzes 100% of the conversation for critical deal information and identifies the issues sales professionals experience during sales calls. It even prioritizes critical sales calls that require manual inspection. HubSpot Marketing Analytics. With comprehensive built-in analytics, reports, and dashboards, you can track the performance of your entire marketing funnel in one place. HubSpot Marketing Analytics is everything you need to become a better marketer. Salesforce Sales Cloud. Salesforce Sales Cloud is a CRM and sales software platform that provides information to help steer a comprehensive sales strategy. It offers, among other things, sales enablement, sales forecasting, and Salesforce automation. You can save this video for later and share it with someone you think might like it. Well, that's all the tools we're covering in this video, but if you want to learn about more sales reporting tools, check the link in the description. It has an extensive report on top 10 sales reporting tools. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for much such videos. We'll see you soon. Until then, happy selling.